Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's Friday, December 11th. We have one more day talking about generosity. And I love all the socks you guys have been bringing in for the sock drive. So amazing. We'll talk about that and a couple other ideas about generosity today. But first, let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. I got to tell you this. Shout out to Mrs. Kurtz. Mrs. Kurtz the other day said, hey, if we're doing a sock drive in every class and getting cool socks for kids, the staff should be doing a sock drive and buying socks for their staff and their teachers. And I want to show you a few of these because they're so cute and cozy. It's going to make people feel amazing. We've got the Christmas socks. I love those. Some with the Christmas lights on there. Look at that. It says Merry and Bright. These I thought were cool just because I've never seen this before. It says aloe infused. They're like lotion socks. Built-in lotion. Somebody's going to love that. And this one I just figured, who wouldn't love these because they have llamas on them. That's amazing. You guys are going to make people feel so good with those socks. I want to talk about this other idea with generosity this morning. A big part of generosity is really thinking about the person that you're going to buy a gift for and buying a gift that you know that they will love. Okay? So that thought that you put into the gift is part of what shows that you love them, right? For example, let's see. Maybe I want to get Mrs. Sobrero a cool plant for Christmas because she loves plants and this is going to make her feel really good, and then she'll have this beautiful plant to take care of. So here's your talking point for today. Talk to the class. Tell us about a gift that you want to give someone. Okay? It could be anyone. You don't have to give your secrets away if you've already done some Christmas shopping. But tell us about a gift that you want to give someone, and then why do you think that they will like that gift? Why did you pick that idea? All right. Have a great day, Achieve.